Okay, so you have a grid of arrows that point to different directions, and you have a timer at the top. The point of the game is you try and clear the whole board as fast as you can. And you can clear the board by tapping on the arrows that have nothing blocking them or their directions. So in our case, if we try to clear this block, it won't move because this one is blocking the path. So we're going to try to clear the whole thing. If you tap accidentally or intentionally on the wrong block, you get a penalty of a few seconds. I don't know, 2 seconds. And depending on how fast you clear the board, you will get more or less points. Yeah, so that's it. That's how you play the game.